Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making red velvet cupcakes. So let's start by adding some vinegar to some warm milk. Remember, it should not be hot, it should be a little bit warm. This will be our buttermilk substitute. Don't worry if it gets a little curdled because this is what we want. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add our buttermilk substitute, some oil, and some powdered sugar. Mix everything together really well. Now let's add our dry ingredients. So for that, sift together the flour, cocoa powder and baking powder. Mix everything together really well. But remember not to overmix the batter. Now add some vanilla essence or extract into your batter. The consistency of your batter should be like this. Now add some red food coloring. Our red velvet cupcake batter is ready. Here I have taken a cupcake tray lined with a cupcake paper. Now take an ice cream scooper and fill the molds. Our cupcakes are baked well. Now let's make a cream cheese frosting for our red velvet cupcakes. So for that, add some softened butter and beat it until it becomes smooth. Now add some cream cheese. If you don't want to use the cream cheese, you can add the same amount of butter to it. Now beat them until they get mixed together. Now add some powdered sugar to it. Our buttercream will become really fluffy and smooth. Here is our frosting. Now take a piping bag and fill the frosting into it. I have used a star tip to decorate the cupcakes. You can take any nozzle you want. So like this, decorate rest of your cupcakes. I'm also adding some sprinkles for the garnishing of the cupcakes. You can totally skip this part, it's optional. Our red velvet cupcakes are now ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.